Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You open Dragon Ball Legends and jump straight to events or redeem, do that first. Once there, tap the scan code option and immediately allow camera permission. The app needs live access to read codes. Make sure the code is flat, well-lit, and clean. Glare prevents recognition. Position your device about 6-12 inches from the code, keep it steady, and let the app autofocus. If it doesn't capture, try slightly different distances or angles to help detection. Once the camera is active, optimize capture by ensuring bright, even lighting so the scanner can detect contrast. Avoid reflections that confuse the sensor. You should hold your device steady, use a small stand if needed, because autofocus needs a moment to lock on the code. If the app struggles, switch orientation between portrait and landscape, and slowly vary distance in small increments until the scanner recognizes the pattern. These tweaks improve recognition time and reduce false reads, so persist for a clear read. After a successful scan, you'll see a confirmation screen. Tap Confirm to claim rewards, or copy the detected code to paste into the manual entry field if needed. If scanning repeatedly fails, clean the camera lens, restart the app, and verify camera permission in device settings. These steps often fix permission or focus glitches. As a fallback, use manual code entry or save a high-resolution screenshot of the code for later. One key tip: check expiration dates. Expired codes won't redeem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.